Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing an update to the I Heart the 90s Project Pan, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. This is a Pantastic Ladies clip, so I will link that down below, as well as Laura, who is the creator of this project. I will link her channel down below, and everything you need to know about this project, it'll be listed down below, but this is a 90s themed Project Pan, and let's get into my progress, which is, to be honest, not very impressive. I'm going to be preemptively rolling one product, and I did have a pretty big month last month, and I am filming this about, I think it'll be like 9 days in advance. So we're going to get into my very unimpressive progress, but hopefully you'll still find this enjoyable. So let's get into the updates. So first up, I was working on the Prompt Dunkaroos, a food themed product, so I chose my Spare Time eyeliner from ColourPop and Raw Beauty Kristi. As of the last update, I needed 7 more uses, and I have 6 uses. So because I only have 1 more use, I'm going to promise that I'm going to use this one more time, and we're going to preemptively roll something in for this product. Next, for the Prompt Beverly Hills 90210, a most expensive product, I chose one of my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. This is in the shade Velvet Affair. This is what it's currently looking like. Basically, my goal is to even out the bullet to make it even kind of where the slant had started. So I only used this once in the last month, so I'm not going to bother marking it on a piece of paper. I just didn't reach for it that much this month, and you will see that as a similar theme for all my updates you've probably seen going up this week. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll do better next month with that lipstick. Next, I got Tamagotchi, a product that is not long-lasting. I've got my NYX pencil liner in the shade Periwinkle Pop. I have eyeliners from this range that I find really, really nice. This one I don't enjoy as much. I've been using it as an inner corner highlight, and occasionally in the waterline, but I don't find this really makes an impact on the waterline. As of the last update, I had 16 uses left. I used it 8 times in the last month, which means I have 8 more uses to go, so hopefully this will be rolling out next month. So next, I'm working on the Prompt Beanie Babies, a product that reminds you of your favorite Beanie Baby, and I chose the Cow Beanie Baby. So I went with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray, and I've only used it 5 times in the last month. Yeah, I don't really know why I stopped using it, because I really, really enjoy the setting spray. The only thing I don't like about it is the smell. I think it's not like a bad smell, it's just like product smell. But yeah, hopefully I will use this a lot more in the next month, and this is something that will eventually be finished and maybe repurchased later in the year. Next, I got the Prompt Baby One More, a product from a brand you used in high school, and I chose the brand Tarte. I used their Amazonian Clay Foundation, and I don't have that, but I have the Shape Tape. I'm in the shade 12S Fair, and I had a goal of 22 uses, and I used it 8 times, so I have 14 more uses to go. I am really trying to focus in on my concealer and my Partners in Cream, so I'm glad I reached for it at least 8 times. What I've been doing is kind of mixing those. The one in my Partners in Cream, I find it's like my skin tone, so this just brightens up the area a little bit, so I'll add a little bit of this to that one, and it works out pretty well. Next, I was working on the Sixth Sense, a product that surprised you, and that is my Lethal Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Anthem. And I was surprised that I really enjoyed a lip gloss that is this bright red color. It does go on more sheerly, and I really like the effect on the lips, and this is a really, really nice formula. I would love it in like a more nude color. And I had a goal of 15 uses. I only used it 3 times, which is not surprising because this is still, while it's sheer, it obviously has more pigment on it and doesn't go as many looks as like a nude would. But that means I have 12 more uses to go, so this is sticking in for probably a few more months. So next, I rolled in the Prompt Saved by the Bell, a product that helps make your makeup last longer, and I chose my All-Nighter Setting Powder from Urban Decay. It looks like this. I only used it 3 times in the last month, and I have a goal of 22 uses, so I have about 19 more uses to go. I think I'll focus in on this more. My Fenty powder is very close to being done in my rolling Project Pan, so I think once that is finished, and I think it'll be finished before my next update, so once that's finished, I will focus in on this. And finally, I have the Prompt Pogs, a product you used a couple times when you first got it and haven't used it since. I chose my Muse Beauty, now Kyla Beauty Liquid Shadow in the shade Jade. I have a goal of using it just 5 times, and I could apparently not be bothered to use this even once in the last month. I'm not going to be rolling it out. I want to use it those 5 times, so hopefully I will use it at least once, maybe twice if I go a little wild, and use this in the next month. So that is my sad update. I'm going to be rolling in 1 prompt for the shade Spare Time, and then hopefully we'll have a much better update for next month. So let me take a look at the prompt list. I have 21 prompts left to go, so let me pull up 1 to 21. I'm gonna clear my history because I did just film another update, and let's see what we get. We have a prompt number 4. We've got No Scrubs, a product you want to get out of your life. Okay, I'm gonna take a minute and see what I want to get out of my collection, out of my life, and I will be right back. So a product I want to get out of my life is this. This is the Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime Eye Primer. I have the shade 1, and as many people feel, I do not want Juvia's Place in my collection any longer. And this is like the one product of theirs that could relatively easily get out of my collection, because it's not a blush or an eyeshadow. And I haven't had this, like, I think I bought it last year, and I'm already like to there. I don't think it was filled all the way. This is a fine eyeshadow primer. I do like it, but it's not like a holy grail by any means. And I'm trying to debate if I should, okay, I gotta talk fast because my camera's about to die. So I think I'm gonna try to finish this, and we will see how long it takes. I'll probably regret that, but that's how it's gonna go. And because my camera's about to die, let's go through this really fast. So let me know how your project is going down below. I would love to hear. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, we did it. I filmed it in time.